everyone, my name is Shubhangi Kadam. So in this video we will look at the updates in MustGather scripts for the Storage Protect for the client side components and quickly demonstrate how to use it. So talking about the key improvement in this release, it includes password masking for the secure execution. We added a support case number in output bundle name for better case tracking. In Storage Protect 8.2.1, MustGather scripts are now bundled with the product package for the easy access. And the most important one is in this new version we expanded the MustGather support to the multiple client products like data protection for VMware, data protection for Hyper-V, data protection for SQL, Oracle, SAP HANA, Exchange and Domino. So talking about how to get MustGather script, so as I said earlier, for 8.2.1 MustGather scripts are available in product package under the installation directory inside tools folder, and for a older version of the Storage Protect you can download latest version of a MustGather script for this GitHub repository. Now I will move to the demo. First I will demonstrate the execution of MustGather scripts for the data protection for Hyper-V. So this system is running on the older Storage Protect version, so the MustGather scripts are not bundled here. Therefore I have downloaded the scripts and I have already extracted the package. So going to the MustGather folder, let's first check the uses of the script using the help command. This shows the required and the optional parameters like product name, admin ID, and as you can see the MustGather scripts for the different products are available here. So now I will execute the MustGather scripts for the data protection for Hyper-V. I am providing the mandatory parameters such as product name. A product name here will be sp-client-hyper-v, followed by the admin ID, followed by case number, and the output directory. So additionally, for virtual environment products like Hyper-V, we provide the data mover OPT file using the -opt file parameter. So here I will give the OPT file path in a double inverted commas. So once execution start, it will prompt for the admin password which is securely masked. You will notice the password is not displayed and ensuring the secure credential handling. After the execution completes, a summary is displayed showing the status of each collected component. In summary, it will also show the output file folder name. Next, I will demonstrate the same for the data protection for Domino using the Storage Protect version 8.2.1. So here the scripts are available under BA installation directory inside the tools folder. Here we can see. Now I will run the MustGather scripts for the Domino. I am providing the same mandatory parameter as before. Here the product name will be sp-client-domino, followed by the output directory where the collected data will be stored. Then I will give the admin ID followed by the case number. It again prompt for the admin password which is masked. So now it will prompt starting collection of SP client domino diagnostic information. So it will ask for the sudo password. If you don't have a sudo password, press enter, and again this is also masked. The script completes successfully and generate a summary of the collected data. So here we can see it will also show the output directory. So in both cases, the output is generated with the IBM support case number in the file name, making it easy to identify and share with the support. Thank you.